Hidden deep in the heart of South America lies Suriname, a land where ancient forests breathe and rivers carve their way through the untouched wilderness. Here, life moves with a rhythm as old as time itself.
Kom op de andere kant, Ben. Dank u wel.
In Suriname, every creature has a purpose, and every sound tells a story. And so, we follow the river, the jungle's ancient highway, deeper into the unknown. From above, the rainforest seems endless, an ocean of green untouched for centuries. In the quiet of the river, a shape breaks the surface. What unseen world lies beneath these waters? And then, the giant rises before us, Kasima, a mountain older than memory. How many lives move beneath this canopy? How many stories remain untold? This is Suriname, a wild paradise worth protecting.